Bienvenue. Welcome back to French class. Today's lesson is going to completely change how you communicate in French. By the end of this class, you'll be able to build your own French sentences from scratch, any idea you want to express. This is the skill that transforms you from knowing words to actually speaking French. Why is this essential? Right now you know French vocabulary, maybe some verbs and adjectives, but without sentence structure, you can't connect them into meaningful communication. It's like having ingredients, but not knowing the recipe. Today, I'm giving you the exact recipe for French sentences. Now, I know French sentence structure can seem complicated. Different word order than English, those tricky pronouns. But here's the secret. French actually follows very clear patterns. I'm going to show you the 3 main patterns, and once you know them, you can say anything. Ready? Allons-y. Let's go. All right, let's start with the basic French sentence pattern. Just like English, it's subject, verb, object. I eat pizza. Je mange pizza. Je mange pizza. See? Je is I, mange is eat, pizza is pizza. Subject, verb, object. Same as English. But here's where it gets interesting. In French, unlike Spanish, you almost always include the subject pronoun. The verb endings don't tell you enough, so you need je, tu, il, elle. I speak French. Je parle français. Je parle français. You must say je. If you just say parle français, it's unclear who's speaking. Let's practice with more examples. You drink water. Tu bois de l'eau. Tu bois de l'eau. She reads a book. Elle lit un livre. Elle lit un livre. We eat bread. Nous mangeons du pain. Nous mangeons du pain. Now here's something very important about French. Adjectives. In French, most adjectives come after the noun, opposite of English. The red car. La voiture rouge. La voiture rouge. Notice, voiture first, then rouge. Noun, then adjective. A big house. Une grande maison. Une grande maison. Wait, grande comes before? Yes. Some common adjectives, like grand, petit, bon, mauvais, beau, nouveau, come before the noun. Pro tip. There's a memory trick. Bangs. Beauty, age, number, goodness, size. These adjectives go before the noun. A beautiful city. Beauty goes before. Une belle ville. Une belle ville. A young man. Age goes before. Un jeune homme. Un jeune homme. But most adjectives go after. A blue dress. Color goes after. Une robe bleue. Common mistake alert. Students put all adjectives before the noun, like in English. They say, une rouge voiture, instead of une voiture rouge. Remember, most adjectives after the noun, only bangs adjectives before. Now let's learn how to make negative sentences. In French, you need 2 words, ne and pas. They go around the verb like a sandwich. I don't speak German. Je ne parle pas allemand. Je ne parle pas allemand. See? Ne before the verb, pas after. Ne pas sandwich. We don't eat meat. Nous ne mangeons pas de viande. Nous ne mangeons pas de viande. She doesn't work on Sundays. Elle ne travaille pas le dimanche. Elle ne travaille pas le dimanche. Pro tip. In casual spoken French, people often drop the ne. You'll hear just je parle pas. But when you're learning, always use both ne and pas. It's more correct. Now, questions in French. You have 3 ways to ask questions, just like Spanish. First way, rising intonation. Same words, just raise your voice. You speak French? Tu parles français? Tu parles français? Same sentence as a statement, just with question intonation. Second way, use est-ce que at the beginning. This is the easiest for beginners. Do you speak French? Est-ce que tu parles français? Est-ce que tu parles français? Est-ce que literally means, is it that? So you're asking, is it that you speak French? Very clear. Is it expensive? Est-ce que c'est cher? Est-ce que c'est cher? Third way, inversion. Flip the verb and subject. This is more formal. Do you speak French? Formal. Parlez-vous français? Parlez-vous français? Notice the hyphen between parler and vous. Are you ready? Êtes-vous prêt? Êtes-vous prêt? My recommendation, use est-ce que as a beginner. It's clear, correct, and commonly used. Now let's talk about object pronouns. In French, they go before the verb. Very important. I see it talking about a car. Car is feminine. La voiture. Je la vois. Je la vois. La comes before vois. I love you. Je t'aime. Je t'aime. T apostrophe before ain. We hear them. Nous les entendons. Nous les entendons. Let's learn how to build longer sentences by adding information. Start simple, then add details. I eat. Je mange. Je mange. Add what you eat. Je mange une pomme. Je mange une pomme. I eat an apple. Now add when. Je mange une pomme le matin. Je mange une pomme le matin. I eat an apple in the morning. Complete sentence. Another example. I go. Je vais. Je vais. Add where. Je vais au parc. Je vais au parc. Add when. Je vais au parc tous les jours. Je vais au parc tous les jours. I go to the park every day. Perfect. Let's learn conjunctions to connect ideas. The most common are et, ou, and mais. I speak French and English. Je parle français et anglais. Je parle français et anglais. Coffee or tea? Café ou thé? Café ou thé? I want to go, but I can't. Je veux aller, mais je ne peux pas. Je veux aller, mais je ne peux pas. Now, 2 verbs together. When you have 2 verbs, the first is conjugated, the second stays infinitive. I want to eat. Je veux manger. Je veux manger. Veux is conjugated, manger is infinitive. I can speak French. Je peux parler français. Je peux parler français. I need to study. J'ai besoin d'étudier. J'ai besoin d'étudier. Okay, practice time. I'm going to give you 3 sentences in English. Pause and build them in French. Sentence 1. I don't speak German. Pause now. Answer. Je ne parle pas allemand. How did you do? Sentence 2. Do you want coffee? Using est-ce que. Try it. Answer. Est-ce que tu veux du café? Perfect. Sentence 3. The car is red. Remember adjective placement. Answer: La voiture est rouge. Rouge after voiture. Excellent. If you got 2 or more right, you're really understanding French sentence structure. Now, the biggest mistake I see, students forget the ne in negatives. They say just je parle pas. Always use both ne and pas. Second mistake, putting all adjectives before the noun. Remember, bangs goes before, everything else after. All right, let's recap. Today we learned the basic French sentence pattern, subject-verb-object, but you must include the subject pronoun. Adjectives mostly go after nouns, except bangs adjectives. Negatives use ne pas around the verb. Questions have 3 forms: rising intonation, est-ce, or inversion. Object pronouns go before the verb. 2 verbs together, first conjugated, second infinitive. Look at what you can do now. You can build complete French sentences, make them negative, ask questions, add details. You're not just saying words anymore. You're constructing real French. This is incredible. Your homework: build 10 French sentences about your daily life. Use the patterns we learned. Make some negative, some questions. Write them down. Say them out loud. Comment 3 of them below, and I'll correct them for you. Next class, we're learning French articles and gender rules, le versus la, and how to know which one to use. Essential knowledge. Subscribe so you don't miss it. Excellent work today. À bientôt. See you soon.